This is the breakfast area of Sala. And after breakfast, gagawa ng cotton candy si Berna. Breakfast namin, grabe. Kasi you can order anything you like. Eat all you can, pero a la carte. And we're in front of this beautiful temple. Hindi namin naubos. Mayroon palang scrambled na white yolk. White lang, white lang siya. Oh, ayan na. Yun ang special date dito, di ba? Cotton candy. Cotton candy wrap. Ano yung pang wrap na yan, Berna? Anong tawag dyan?
Roti.
Roti, yeah. It's wrapped on a roti. Imagine that, It's cotton candy wrapped on a roti. Oh. Akin yan?
Yeah.
Oh, sige. Okay. Alright. Matamis siya, no? Tamis, di ba? Here to Sala, you can order all the a la carte if you wish. Yan, siyempre kami laging Eggs Benedict. Medyo unique sila, kasi pwede mong orderin lahat. Sabi, ang daming choices ng breakfast dito. Unique yung breakfast talaga niya. Meron pang Chayo Praya breakfast. Blueberry butter with pancakes. Ito yung in-order namin yesterday. Smoked salmon avocado. Ganda ng service dito. Okay. Nagpagawa pa ako kay Berna. Isa pang cotton candy. Ibang klase yung cotton candy niya. Ayan, inikot ko. Buksan nga natin. Nirap lang ni Berna, galing. Specialty to sa Ayutthaya. Imagine. Cotton candy. Kasama breakfast. Gawa ni Berna Baron. Gagawa ka pa? Kakain ka pa ng isa? Na-addict ka na pala dyan. Okay. Binili mo nakabalot na ganyan. Ayan. Hindi ka masusira yan kung dadali mo sa Manila. Pinakamagandang pwesto, pero may mama na ron, nag-i-enjoy siya ng ambience. Yan, balik sa cotton candy ulit ni Berna. Yan, wrapping ulit. Para kang gumagawa lang ng lumpia, Imagine, cotton candy, Parang gumagawa ng lumpia. Ganda talaga ng ambience dito sa sa Sala Ayutthaya. Sayang, last day na namin dito. Naka 2 nights na kami. Okay, ikutan muna natin para pakita ko sa mga daughters ko na next time they should book here and you will be enjoying the view while having breakfast, even lunch, even dinner. Ayan, and you can also see the Chayo Praya River, and there's a pier there. That's how it looks from the back part. And the best part is you can choose the areas here where you're being covered by the trees. Yes, ganda. Imagine, with the view of the river and the temples. Imagine you'll be eating here, except it's going to be so hot, especially during the afternoon. Yun, nagbibigay na ng coffee. Hey, Mama Berna, coffee? Coffee na yan? Oh, yeah. Oh, cappuccino coffee. Galing. Cappuccino with cotton candy? Bagay ba yun? Okay, so visit Sala Ayutthaya whenever you come to this place and check out this resort. Thank you for watching.